Well, news now from Uttarakhand, where Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat will meet with the governor today amid reports that he will resign. He had met with the BJP leadership yesterday in Delhi. Well, let's go across to NDTV Sanket Upadhyay for more. And Sanket, the Chief Minister has also called a press conference.
Well, yes, fast-paced events that are taking place from the last time we spoke, where it was not really certain what decision is going to be taken, though the fate hangs in the balance even now. But I guess we'll get more clarity once he chooses to speak himself and clear the air. We believe, and we have learned from our sources, that at 3 p.m., Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Mr. Trivendra Singh Rawat, is going to hold a press conference in Dehradun in which he is going to reiterate and mention what exactly his next step is going to be, whether he will resign or stay on to garner support. Post which at 4 p.m. a meeting is slated with the governor. Now this has led to a lot of speculation on why the Chief Minister has gone to meet the governor. As of now, officially it is being said that this is a courtesy call, but this is too much of a coincidence, especially when you juxtapose it with his meeting in New Delhi yesterday, with the observers talking to him, the BJP central observers talking to him, as well as all the MLAs who were disgruntled with his work. So in this backdrop, him meeting the governor definitely gets speculation going on what his decision is going to be. As of now, what we have learned is that the BJP's parliamentary board has not taken any crucial decision, and more importantly, for any such decision to be expedited or even processed, one prerequisite is a meeting of the legislature party of the Bharatiya Janata Party in Uttarakhand. That is where this decision will be taken on the change of leadership. This is the process, how chief ministers are elected or removed or changed. So that we are hearing, that meeting is going to take place tomorrow, but the chief minister is expected to clear the air today at 3 p.m. as to what could be the circumstances in which he may or may not take a certain decision. As we have reiterated and spoken in the past also, there is massive resistance against him, where many BJP MLAs have spoken to the central leadership and told them that they do not like the manner in which the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand works, and that if he continues as the Chief Minister at the helm, then the BJP may not have a bright chance at winning the next assembly election, which is due in February 2022. So now all eyes on that press conference of Trivendra Singh Rawat is going to clear the air as to what his next action plan is going to be.
All right.